How to stay vegan in the long run. So you've tried it and liked it, and now you want to make it your lifestyle, but you're afraid it would be difficult. In this lesson, we'll look at the 10 challenges that people experience in maintaining a vegan diet and how to deal with them. Social pressure in living or working in a non-vegan environment, feeling alone, deficiencies and undereating, feeling limited with food options, lack of motivation, temptation, having too high expectations, convenience, lack of information, and traveling a lot. Social pressure and living or working in a non-vegan environment. This is possibly the hardest one. It's natural to want to feel like you're part of the group around you, and it might be difficult to follow a lifestyle that is not the same as the one followed by other people. First of all, remember that you are normal. There are many ways to be normal today, and there are many vegans and vegan societies in the world. Remind yourself of all the good that you are doing, both for yourself and for society, by being vegan. It will help you in challenging occasions. If you meet with criticism, be patient. People around you need time to adjust to your change, but equally, don't let people be offensive. It's not okay. If you're going to a social event, bring a nice vegan dish, or better yet, offer to help with the cooking. Hosts love it when someone rolls up their sleeves. If you're part of a non-vegan family, offer to do some or all of the cooking. If someone else cooks, see if they can set aside a vegan portion for you before they add non-vegan ingredients. If you're the primary cook in the house and people insist on non-vegan dishes, either teach them how to make them or do a takeaway. And the winning tip. Learn a vegan joke or two. It's good to have some self-humor. Feeling alone. This happens to all of us from time to time, and there's really no need when there are so many resources and options to be socially vegan. You can join an online community like a Facebook group and be active in forums, join a local vegan community and make new friends there, invite your friends over for a vegan dinner, check out new vegan restaurants and cafes and chat with other vegans there, get your friends and family to understand why this is important to you and enlist their help, and get a vegan doctor. It's always good to get reassurance. Deficiencies and undereating. If you've been following the guidance in this course, you should be good for nutrients, but then it's always good to stay updated and also get checked from time to time. Vegan should first of all be about health. A research about why people have left veganism found that 70% did not do it because of any health issues. The National Health Service page on the vegan diet and where to get nutrients can be found at www.nhs.uk/live-well/eat-well/the-vegan-diet/. If you're doing your own research, a great resource for food charts is provided by the Taiwan National Health Research Institute at apjcn.nhri.org.tw/server/info/books-phds/data-fs.html. It's very comprehensive. And, as always, make sure that you eat enough in terms of quantity as well. Feeling limited with food options. You'd be surprised, but this is not just something that vegans feel. Everyone feels limited with food options because we naturally gravitate towards our favorites, and things do need spicing up from time to time. Number 1, try a new vegan dish at least once or twice a month. There's so much to choose from. Even if you did this every day, you'd still not get to all the options out there. Google easy vegan recipes and get inspired by photos, get new recipe books, make new comfort foods. Number 2, try out a new vegan restaurant when you see one, even if it's just for the sides. Number 3, join a new vegan group or try out new vegan activities like vegan markets, fairs, festivals, lectures, and retreats. Number 4, If you're eating out and you're getting distracted by something on someone else's plate, promise yourself you'd make a vegan version tomorrow, and then forget about it until then. Just get it off your list. You are now free from it. Switch from the word can't to the words don't want this. It will make you feel powerful. Lack of motivation. It's perfectly normal to feel lack of motivation no matter what you do. Just remind yourself why you wanted to be vegan, and then go and watch movies and read information about it. If it's health, expose yourself to information about that. If it's animal rights, focus on those benefits. If it's for environmental or social reasons, focus on that. Keep finding new resources of inspiration. Read blogs and books by vegans about their transition and reasons, and also get inspired by vegan celebrities. Temptation. This too happens to everyone, and the best remedy is to eliminate the sources for temptation. Go to vegan places, hang around with other vegans, be the host and cook a vegan dinner for your friends, get non-vegan foods out of your home, or if there are non-vegans in the house, designate an area for them where you don't look. If you must eat out in a non-vegan place, learn from people who follow religious food practices like halal and kosher. Be proud of your choice and don't look at other people's choices. What's not on your plate doesn't need to worry you. Remember what veganism is doing for your body and for the world. Having too high expectations. Trying to do anything 100% is a recipe for disappointment. If you started by doing your foods and now you want everything in your life, including every piece of clothing, home items, and activities to be vegan, it just might be too much. Take it slow. Take a step back and focus on the foods. It's also okay if you slip from time to time. Feeling bad about it would only encourage worse slips in the long run because you'd feel as though you've already failed. So why bother stopping with one little sandwich? Might as well have the whole meal. Rather, tell yourself that it's only human. Who knows? Maybe you just need a longer transition period. Just keep coming back to the vegan path. It's a journey, not a destination. If you think about it, slipping keeps you on that path because you'd keep taking yourself back up to the highest levels and stay there for long periods of time. Convenience. When people say convenience, what they really mean is habit. It's actually much more convenient to always have some healthy snacks with you and shop at online supermarkets to benefit from their variety and have things ready in the fridge when you need them. Do a walk around your area and find places that provide quick vegan options. If you're on a budget, buy snacks in bulk online or cook your goodies in bulk and pack portions to have with you. You'd get better quality too that way. Lack of information. This one is rare since there is so much information about veganism out there. But as a prevention, keep learning about the benefits of this lifestyle. Watch videos, read, and join forums, blogs, and groups online. Traveling a lot. This one is a lot easier than it used to be, thanks to the amount of online resources. When you go, Google vegan in the area before you arrive. If you're planning to eat out, look up places on Happy Cow, Vegman, Vanilla Bean, and if you're in the UK, uk.veganuary.com/eating-out. And also check the local vegan Facebook groups. It's a great opportunity to try local vegan dishes as part of your trip. Bring your own food where you can and stay in places with cooking facilities. Learn the local words for vegan and vegetarian and make a list of different types of meat, dairy, and eggs to ask if they are in your foods in the local language. Remember that if you could do it for a week, you could do it for a month. And if you could do it for a month, you could do it for a year, and then for as long as you want to. You're already there. All you have to do is let go of the other way. We hope that this lesson has given you the tools you need to keep going.